Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 1, exercise 4B. Evaluate each of the following. A part 17 power 0. If any number have the power 0, it is equal to 1. So these all numbers are equal to 1. Okay. So here, because here all numbers power is equal to 0. So its power is 0. That's why these all numbers become 1. Let me check any detailed explanation if you have. We don't need to. Yes, it's just. And now its B part is -2/7 whole power 0 is equal to 1. And
1.
C is equal to 4A power 0. That will be 4, 1,
1, 4.
Yes. Now its D part is -8, B 0, and it will be -8. 1 is equal to minus 8. Now E is 72, CD 2. This is all is equal to 0, so it is 1. And now F part is 7E8 whole power 0, and it will be 1 is equal to 7. Question number 2. Find the value of each of the following. So its A part is A part is 2 power 0 multiplied by 2, 4, and it will be 1 multiplied by 2, 4 is equal to 2, 4.
24.
And let me
Sure, it's 2, 4, so won't it be 16?
Yes, let me check. They are writing the number in the power of in the 16 or just in the exponential power. Yes, it's 16. So it is 16. And then it will be 7 2 multiply 7 0 divided by 7. It will be 7 2 and 1 divided by 7. Now it is 7 2 divided by 7. And this is 7 2 minus 1. It will be 7 1. Because this power is 1 and there is a division sign between them, so that's why 7 2 minus 1 is equal to 7. Now its C part is 8 0 divided by 8 2. Now it's 1 and divided by 64. So it will be 1/64. And then it is 7 2 multiply 7 0 divided by 7. We did it.
No, teacher, it's 6.
It's D part. 6 3 plus 6 0 minus 6. Now it is 6 3 plus 1 minus 6. It will be 6 3 minus 5. And this can be written as 36. 36 3 times 2, 16 minus 5, 211. Okay, the answer is 211. Yes. Now it's B3. Question number 3. Evaluate each of the following. So 7 minus 3. It will be written as 1 over 7 power 3, and it can be 7 sevens are 49 and 49 sevens are
343.
343. Okay. Now its B part is minus 5 whole power 1. It will be 1 over minus 5. Can be written as 1 over minus 1 over 5. And C part we can write it as 3 over 4 whole power minus 2, and this will be now
Teacher, if it's 1 over minus 5 or minus 1 over 5 is the same thing, right?
same thing. It is same thing. So it is minus 3 power minus 2 and 4 power minus 2. This we can write it as 3, 4, 4,
Oh,
4 will be in the numerator and 3 will be in the denominator. Okay.
you
And
will flip it?
sorry,
You will flip it?
we can we can switch because these are the negative powers. So this is
Okay.
the rule, negative powers. So we can switch the numbers for making powers positive.
Okay.
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 Now here it is 16 over 9. 16 over 9. This I can write it directly as 4 over 3 and whole power 2. If I will switch the fraction, then the power will be positive. Okay. Here, another way. If I will switch the fraction, then the answer will be the same.
Oh, oh, okay. So even if it's 3 square over 4 square, it'll be 16 over 9?
Yes. Yes, Miss, what you were saying?
I was saying that if it's 3 over 2 and the denominator is 4 over 2, it'll be the same thing, right?
Yes. 3 over 2, 3 over 4, whole power will be negative 2. If we will change the fraction, like here 4 over 3, I will change here fraction. This is another way. I I have changed here 4 over 3. Now the power will be positive. Okay.
Okay.
And this I can also same like that 4 power 4 square, and this is 3 square. This will give us the same answer.
Okay.
Okay. Now here, this one we were doing question number 3C. 3C. Now this one is improper fraction, and we have to divide because it is 16 over 9. Numerator is greater. So 1 whole and 7 over 9. 1 whole 7 over 9.
Teacher, do we have to do that?
We have to divide. If this number is improper fraction, because this is improper fraction. Numerator is greater here and denominator is smaller. So we will divide by 9 ones are 9, and we will subtract 16 minus 9 is 7. So it will be 1 whole 1 whole. Then answer will be 1 whole 7 over 9. Okay.
Okay.
We have to divide if we will get the improper fraction.
Teacher, can we write it in decimals?
Yes, we can write in the decimals too.
Okay.
Okay, now this is D 5 over 3 minus 1. If I will write it directly 3 over 5, then its power will be 1, positive 1. Okay.
Okay.
So this is 3 over 5. Now fraction is proper fraction, so we don't need to divide.
Okay.
Now question number 4. Evaluate each of the following, that is A part. 7 to minus 2 divided by 7 minus 4. Now it will be 7 minus 4 and divided by 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 plus 4. We can write it as, because this one is minus 4 and we will, if due to division sign, if we will write its negative sign will be positive. So it will be 7 power will be 0. It will be 1. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, now 5 0 minus 5 minus 2. This one will be 1 minus 1 over 5 power 2. So
Teacher, but
it
why are
will,
we dividing? Why do we put it in fraction?
because here it is, its power is minus 2. That's why we have to make it positive. Okay. For making positive, we have to shift this number in the denominator. So it will be 25. Now we can do this by multiplying 25. Here we will multiply by 25 and 25, and this one already 25. So it will be 25 minus 1 over 25. And it will be 24 over 25. This is the answer. Now C part is,
Teacher, but yeah,
yes, Rumisa?
nothing is okay.
Okay. Then 215 whole power 0 and plus it is 3 over 5 whole power minus 1. We can write it as 1 plus, I will directly switch the fraction and make it positive. Okay. So now here, this one will be 1 plus 5 over 3, and here we will multiply it with 3 and 3, and this will be 3, and it can be 3. This one is plus here. So 5 over 3. Now this is 8. So now here it is improper fraction. For making its
Yes.
proper fraction, we will make take the we will divide and write it 3 2 times 6. 2 is remainder over 3. Okay. Now which question? D part. Question number 4, D part, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now D part is 3 over 4 whole power minus 2, 3 power 2 multiply 2 0 1 5 0. This I can switch the fraction and make the power positive. And this will be 9, this will be 1. Now this is 16, this is 9. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. So 9 ones are 9. We can cancel directly. So it is 16 over 1 and answer will be 16.
Okay.
Question number 5. Evaluate each of the following without use of the calculator, of a calculator. Now here 196 square root. 196 is the square root of 14 square. So it will be 14. 14. And this one will be B part. 125 cube root. So 125 is the cube of 5. And it can be written as 5 because this sign means 1 over 3. Okay, now C part is under root 5, 1 over 32. Okay, 1 power 5 is the 1 power. If we have any power of 1, the answer will be 1. Now this is the power of 2 power 5. 32 is 2 power 5. And this one it will be 5. So this one we can write it as 1 over 2. Because here 1 5 is equal to 5 and 2 power 5. And we have fifth root of this fraction. So we can write it as 1 over 2. Because 1 over 5 and 5, they can cancel out with each other. That's why.
Teacher, I don't understand.
If we have this root here, it's mean we have power 1 over 5. Okay. So here it's mean here the power is 1 over 5. So we can write it as this 1 over 2 power 5 will be 1 over 5. Or this 5 we can write it as 1 power 5. Because if any power of 1 will be is equal to 1. Okay, now here the second step is if we have 1 multiply this, we can multiply because power they are going to multiply. So these power we are multiplying here. This can be cancelled, this can be cancelled out. So what is the power of 1 now? It is 1 and power of 2 is 1. So it will be 1 over 2. Got it now? Yes, Rumisa. Got it now?
Yes.
Okay, now.
Yes.
Here's
But I'm
16.
still confused on why we cut it.
Just remember if we have any root of any number, like we have fifth root, we have fifth power, it's mean 1 over 5. The whole number power is 1 over 5. If it is cube root, then it is 1 over 3. With square root, we don't need to write 2 here. Like here, we don't need to write 2 here. We directly write it as a square root. But for cube root, for fourth root, for fifth root, we always write the power with the root, number with the root. Like here we have in D part, we have fourth root. Now here, this can be written as 2 power 4 and 3 power 4. So this is the fourth root. Fourth root means 1 over 4. So this 4, this internal 4 and this 4 and cube root, they can be cancelled with each other. So it will be 2 over 3. Okay. Okay, now question number 6. Rewrite each of the following in that radical form and hence evaluate the result without use of calculator. Okay, now it is 81 power 1 over 2. What is mean of 1 over 2? Square root.
Yeah.
So 1 over 2 is equal to square root. So we will write it as 81. So 81 square root is what? This one is radical sign. So this one is in the radical sign. So 9 2, it will be 9. This, the first part is radical sign. We wrote it as here and then evaluate the solution. So solution is 9. It's A part. Now B part is we have to write this number in the radical sign. That is minus 27 whole power 1 over 3. So radical sign is 3 here and minus 27.
Mhm.
Minus 27. This is the first answer, and the second answer we have to solve this. So this is 3 and 3 power 3. 3 power 3. So it will be 3. The 3 can be cancelled with this 3 and the answer will be minus 3.
Oh,
Okay.
but won't minus 3 be cut too?
Minus 3 is equal to?
Won't minus
Oh,
3 be cut too because there's a square?
because here we if we will multiply minus 3 times, what will be the answer? It can be written as minus 27, because two powers, even powers, will be positive and then it is positive 9 and then we will multiply with the negatives minus 3, then again we will get minus 27. So it's mean we have, this is the power of minus 3 is 3. If here it is will be 81, positive 81, then it's mean its power will be 4, because even power will make its
Mm-hmm.
base same, base positive. Now base is negative but power is odd, so we will write negative sign in the base. Do you know what is the base number?
3 and 2. 3?
3 is the base. Yes, 3 is the base number. So if we have, like, if we have power is even, then the answer will be positive. Okay, if power is odd, then the answer will be negative. Like if we have power is even, then answer will be 81, positive 81. So this is the difference between even and odd powers of the negative numbers.
Oh,
Now here we have odd power 3, so that's why it is minus 3. Now its C part is 1 over 116 whole power minus 1 over 4. Minus 1 over 4. So I can write it as the first one, I can make it power positive by writing 16 in the denominator. If I will write
but
6,
it's already positive, teacher.
no, it is negative, minus 1 over 4.
Oh,
It is minus 1 over 4. So we have to write, we have to make it positive power. For making it positive power, we have to write this number 16 in the denominator. So it will be positive 1 over 4. 1 power 1 over 4 will be 1. And 16 power 1 over 4 will be in the radical sign. It will be 1. And this one will be written as 16 power 4.
oh.
because this is this 4, 1 over 4 is equal to radical sign in the radical form of this. So this is the radical form. Now we have to solve this. So it is 4. This will be 2 power 4. And this can be written as 2. Because its radical power is 4. So 1 over 4, 4 we can cancel out and it will be 1 over 2. Now the answer for D part is 4, 1.5. 1.5 means 1 over 2. Okay. So 1 over 2 means 4 square root. And this will be 2. This is radical form and this is the solution. Now this E part is E minus, not E, 8. E part 8 minus 5, 3. 5, 3. 5, 3 means if I will write it as 1 over 8, then the power will be positive.
But why will we write it 1 over 8?
We are writing 1 over 8 because this power, this one, if we will take its power 5 over 3, this is 1. Okay. We have to make this power positive. This radical power will be positive. How we can make it positive? By writing it in the denominator. Or I will write it as like this. Wait.
Teacher, but why did we take 1?
How we can write this in the denominator? Without 1, we can write it in the denominator.
No.
Can we write? No. So it's mean we have to write numerator at the 1. In the numerator, we have to write 1 for making its power positive. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then this we can write in the form of 8, 5, and this one will be 1 over 3. Can we write it as 5 ones are 5 or 3? Okay. Now 1 over 8, 5. This one, 1 over 3, can we write it as?
I think so.
This one, this power, can we write it as in the cube root?
No.
Yes, we can write.
But it's in fraction.
It is in fraction. So what is this means? This is in the fraction.
Oh, yes.
Yes, okay. Then, or here we can simplify this by, because this is 2 power 3, 8 is 2 power 3. So I will change this number into like this. This is 1 over, not like that. Because I have to make it as possible as easy. So here I will write it as 5 1 by 3 power 3 will be again it's coming. This 8 is 2 power. This 8 is 2 power 3. Okay.
Yes.
This one will be 5/3. This one will be 5/3. So this can be, we can cancel it out. And this one will be 1/2, 5. 1/2 power 5. So it will be 1/32. This is the answer. But if we will write in the radical form, this here we have to write in the radical form. So I will write it in the radical form is 1/8, 1/3, and 5. And then I will write it as 8, 3 whole power 5. And this we can write it as 1/3, 8 whole power 5. If we will not write this step, this up till this step, this answer is correct.
Okay.
Because we have to write in radical form, and then we have to simplify. Yes, Rumisa, समझ आ गई सारे पॉइंट्स की? Got every point, each and every step? Or you have any confusion in any step?
Yes, but teacher, the final answer
Your voice is not clear.
the
Your voice is not clear. It's breaking. Your voice is lagging. Now you can speak.
teacher, yes, the
Sorry. Can't understand
can you hear
properly.
me now, miss? Can you hear me now?
Yes, now it's clear.
In the last step before that, we took the one. Where did the one go?
Here in the
The
numerator.
1/3.
Where? You can write on the board. Which step you can highlight? Which step? Here?
The one before the final answer. Yes, that was the
Before
one.
this one, or here in the final answer?
That one. 1/8, 1/3.
Here. This one.
Yes.
Okay, look at here. This one we can write it as 1/3 because we have to make it in the radical form. So this 1/3 will be in the radical form of cube root. 1/3 can be written as power 3. Okay, then it's 5. We can write in the whole power of this number. Cube root of 8. So this is the final for the radical power. Got it now?
Yes.
Okay, now. F part, the last part of question number 6 is -1 0 0 0 3 zeros and 2/3. Minus means we have even not even your odd power of 10. -10, odd power of -10. So minus, if we have a 10 multiplied 10, it will be 100, and 100 multiplied by 10, it will be 1000. Okay. But if we have negative 10, negative 10, negative 10, then it will be, this can be 100, and then multiply with 10, it will be minus 1000. Okay, it's
Okay.
mean this is the power of minus 10 3. Okay, I should have to write it as in this form, 2 over 3. Then this 3 can be cancelled out, and this one will be power 2, and this can be written as 100. First we have to write in the radical form, so we will make it in the radical form by writing it 100, 1000, whole power 2, 1 over 3. So this 1 over 3 I can write it as 3000 minus power 2. This power I am giving 2000, and this radical sign I will writing in the cube root form. Okay, Ramesa?
Mhm. Mm.
Or this can be written as 3000 minus whole power 2. This 2 can be written as here, because this is the whole power of minus 1000. The same thing, these both are the same steps.